Don Bosco, a famous miracle worker. Don Bosco, the father, friend and teacher of youth. We all of us know about Don Bosco very well. In the life of Don Bosco, a very nice event took place. In his last years of life, Don Bosco went to France to collect donations for the poor boys, the boys who were with him in the oratory, in the youth center. So, when he went to France, the rector of the house, a father is a rector, and that particular father wanted to animate a family circle in view of Don Bosco's visit, for which all the boys were so happy to prepare themselves so that they would make Don Bosco happy and to feel at ease and at home with Don Bosco. In such an event, one of the heroes of the program, a boy got injured of the throat. There was a throat injury and the boy was not able to speak loud, and there was a declination of his voice day by day, minute after minute, and thus the boy was not able to speak well. And the other members and the other boys of the team, the family circle team, they felt so unhappy about this particular happening that had happened to this boy. So, the boy was brought to Don Bosco for the blessings of Don Bosco. Don Bosco just casually asked this boy, "Do you want to receive the blessings of the Lord?" Again Don Bosco asked the boy, "Do you want to get healed of your throat injury?" And the boy surprisingly said, "Yes, Father, I won't get the blessings of God, and thus I want to get healed of my throat injury." Don Bosco then blessed this boy and asked him to repeat the Bible verses, gave him a collection of words and the Bible verses to be repeated, to be memorized, and then to repeat the whole thing. The boy took little time after receiving the blessings of Don Bosco, and then he very nicely and beautifully within few minutes of time repeated the Bible verses, and thus he was able to speak very nicely. So, this really surprised every one of the house, of the youth center, of the oratory. And this particular event, when it was taking place, at the end of the event, Don Bosco lost his voice. No, it was in the night, the program was going on. Don Bosco was not able to speak loud. Slowly there was a declining of Don Bosco's voice. Now, what did Don Bosco do? Don Bosco quietly asked this boy to give back my voice. And again repeatedly Don Bosco asked this boy to pray for me, he asked. And this boy really prayed for Don Bosco, and he prayed this way, "Lord, bless Father Don Bosco and give back his voice." You know, within a few fraction of seconds, Don Bosco was able to get back his voice. This is a beautiful event in the life of Don Bosco. This is a proof how much Don Bosco loved the boys, how much God was blessing Don Bosco and the boys in that particular oratory and youth center. Always Don Bosco's boys, the boys in the youth center and the oratory, were in the hand of God, always within the blessings of God. Long live Don Bosco and your mission.